How to fix YAPYAP crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the game in your library and then go to the General tab, and under Launch Options here you should add -DX11, and then you can go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for this to finish checking your files and repairing them. Now once this is done, you can close this window, and then you will need to make sure to install the redistributables if you don't have them. You can search for Redist, click on the first link from Microsoft, and then you will need to go to the second table, which is this one here, and you will need to download the 86 and the 64 version and install both of them individually on Windows. And if you're having a Mac device that is running Windows, you can install this one here. And once you finish installing these, it will ask you to reboot your computer. Now, after the reboot, one last thing to do is check for the graphics card updates. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need to install the NVIDIA app, or maybe you should have it already. And from here, you should be able to download and install the latest available GPU drivers. And before you run the game, after you update your GPU, you will need to run Steam as admin. You can search for Steam, right click and run as admin. And then you can proceed to launch the game, and this should fix the crashes. Thanks for watching and subscribe.